How's the other twin? Those lines there, do you think it's...
Yeah, I mean, we could do that.
Johnny and I were born up at Snowbird. Well, we weren't born there, but we pretty much were born there because we spent every second up there in the winters in the employee housing, sharing a 5x12 closet.
Our dad was part of the Snowbird Ski Patrol, so we were on skis at a super young age. Turning into pro athletes together is pretty amazing because we kind of could have taken, totally separate paths in life, but continuing with the same passions that we've had growing up our entire lives, and then like joining forces and doing it together has been so cool. Just like a little Team Collinson. When we are together, it's just super fun because like, oh, I'm on a trip with Angel. Like, we got this. You just kind of feel like a bit unstoppable.
Offers me different things depending on where I'm at in life and what I need. Sometimes I need to feel totally free and I need to feel like I'm flying, and sometimes I want to feel like I'm sheltered in nature or I just need the quiet. So there's a lot of different things that I get out of skiing, and they're always changing.
Our parents showing us what the mountains can do for you and planted that seed, and now I just want to explore that for the rest of my life. It's like a pretty cool thing for us to come up through the ranks, and kind of the morals we had growing up, being humble and loyal, just got us to where we are today.